갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고.
Hi everyone, my name is Angwi and thank you for stopping by. For those who are already subscribed to the channel, I want to say thank you for always coming back. But if this is your first time here on this channel, we do hair care, skin care and all that good stuff. So if you would want to join the family, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't also forget to press on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I put up a new video. So today I'm here with another hair video, and this time I want to do something a little bit different. For most of the time I have always twisted my hair up and do some kind of twist out or braids out, but this time around I actually want to twist my hair, but to jazz it up I'll be using some of these rod sets. Anyway, I think so I have used this just once, but I didn't leave my hair to get dry completely. So this time around I want to take my time and give it enough time for my hair to be dry, so I will unravel it and see how it looks. So fingers crossed for me, and let's hope that this time around it's going to turn out good. So I washed my hair the previous night and be applying my moisturizers, twisting my hair as normal, and then at the end of the twist I will just curl it up with this, I don't know how they are called. Are they flexi rods? Not so sure. No, I know what flexi rods look like. These are not flexi rods, but anyways, please, if you know how these are called, leave the name in the description box below. So let's get into this hair. So this is freshly washed hair with no product in it. This here actually could be a look for me, my own version of the afro hairstyle, but today we are here for something else, so I'll go ahead and section my hair. So I just want to section this front part and get it out of the way, and I will start from the back section. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며. Moisturize my hair. I'm going to use the Asayan double butter cream. I've heard really great reviews about this moisturizing cream, so I want to give it a try, my first time, and hopefully I'm going to enjoy it. It smells really good. It actually feels like whipped butter, and they say it contains cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil with sugar beet roots. Yeah, and it's for coils and curls. So hopefully my hair is going to feel very well nourished, and I'll just put a little bit of this water. This is just plain tap water, kind of just give it some little hydration. And I'm going to moisturize this whole section and then go on with my twisting cream. and then on top of that an oil and the cream. So I'm doing the quick oil cream. Let's see. So in all that hydration, all that water, maybe a little bit more because I'm always extra. Then we go in with After applying the moisturizer and styling cream, you want to make sure that once more your hair is thoroughly detangled before installing the twist. And then I will just go ahead and twist the rest of my hair as usual. And as you will notice, for the back section of my hair, I did the individual 2-strand twist. And for this front section, I am going to do flat twist coming towards my face.
널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy.
So all done and hair completely set for the style, and I'm going to sleep in V's and let my hair dry the following day to set the style completely. So I went ahead and let my hair in this twist for one complete whole day, and hoping that this time around they are completely dry and we will be coming up with a better style. So let's get into it. Okay, the feel dry, so we just get into unraveling. Okay, so
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지
this is what I'm talking about.
이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는
Step 2. So rot out and let's get to the second step, which is the unraveling, the exciting part of it. I just put some oil to my hands.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본다. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going 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 crazy I'm going 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 crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going 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 crazy yeah I'm going 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 crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going 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 crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니 I'm going 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 crazy
Well, that is it for this hairstyle slash tutorial. Until my next one, bye bye. And for more of me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I put up a new video.